right, everybody. So I didn't do a video on how to today. I just am doing what we're having for lunch. And what we are having, I made some quesadillas with some soy chorizo. Very yummy, you guys. A little bit of oil in between each of these two tortillas. I have the soy chorizo. I have some hummus. That really helps to hold it together. I also caramelized some onions, so that's in between there. And I made an arugula salad with a little bit of romaine lettuce and some tomato and some olives. This is some salsa that I bought, just some bought salsa that we can use to dip our quesadillas. I made my own vinaigrette. You know, you can use whatever vinaigrette you have, but I made my own because I just wanted to. And so this is what our lunch is today. Should be yummy. We're going to sit down and have lunch and go through our hashtag 30 days with God. Shout out to Pastor Trav. All right, guys. Thanks for looking and listening. Bye.